India's Oil Minister Hardeep Singh Puri on Wednesday confirmed that he had met and communicated with the late financier and convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein during his time in the United States, but denied any involvement in wrongdoing or criminal activities. Puri, a career diplomat turned politician and former Indian ambassador to the United Nations 2009 to 2013, said he interacted with Epstein 3 or maximum 4 times while he was associated with the International Peace Institute, a New York-based think tank.
And it is as part of a delegation of the IPI or the ICM that I met Mr. Epstein on a few occasions, 3 or maximum 4.
Headed by Norwegian diplomat and former cabinet minister Terje Roet Larsen until 2020. Roet Larsen has since apologized for his connections to Epstein, while his wife, Norwegian ambassador Mona Juul, stepped down over links to the financier. Puri's remarks came after opposition leader Rahul Gandhi raised questions in parliament, citing Epstein's emails in which Puri's names appeared, and urged Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government to clarify any dealings.
फाइल्स हैं एप्स्टीन पे, हरदीप पुरी का नाम उसमें है, अनिल अंबानी का नाम उसमें है, अंबानी का केस अदानी का केस चल रहा है, उसमें समन्स आई हैं। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने 18 महीने के लिए रिप्लाई नहीं दिया है। डायरेक्ट प्रेशर है प्राइम मिनिस्टर पे, वो सब जानते हैं। बट मेन बात ये है, देखिए, बिना प्रेशर कोई हिंदुस्तान का प्राइम मिनिस्टर ये नहीं कर सकता।
According to documents released by the US Department of Justice, emails between Puri and Epstein largely focused on Reid Hoffman, LinkedIn's founder. Puri said his correspondence concerned inviting Hoffman to India to explore opportunities for internet-based businesses. He emphasized that his interactions with Epstein were limited to professional and institutional context, and that he had no connection to any of Epstein's criminal activities.
Now, the Epstein files, the Yuva Neta should know, are about wrongdoing, criminal offenses. The Epstein files are about charges that he had an island where he used to take people to indulge their sexual fantasies, charges of pedophilia, and there are victims of this. Those victims have brought cases against the people in authority. My interactions have nothing to do with that.